Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install YouTube app on our Windows 11. So let's start. So just go to your YouTube and then let's go to youtube.com. Then just go to the right side in the three dots in the corner, just click here and then let's go to this option that says cast, save and share. So here appears another menu and just click on install YouTube. So just click here and then it says that if you want to install app YouTube, just click on install. Okay, just wait a little bit and then it appears the YouTube app. So just click here and you can start using YouTube app on your Windows 11 without any problem. So that's the way to do it. Then just click here on close. If you want to open again, you can look in here on your start button here on Windows appears the YouTube app. Just click here. If you close this, just click here and you will open the YouTube app without any problem, as you can see. That's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.